Hello, my name is Marc Miller. I'm with ImagineIT, and I want to talk about the change in philosophy that we need to employ to cybersecurity protections as we look at protecting our businesses. It used to be that we would add a firewall or antivirus or different pieces of protections to protect our environments. And we need to change that way of thinking right now. We need to apply a solution that covers all of the potential vulnerabilities. At ImagineIT, we call our solution the Security Shield, and it does just that. It protects you from all of the different vulnerabilities that small businesses face today. So again, we need to change the philosophy and get out of this piece by piece protecting of our businesses, and we need to deploy something that's more overall and encompassing. Again, Marc Miller with ImagineIT. Thank you.